I just wanted to quickly have a quick video of how to change the eSpring filter, okay, cartridge filter. It's very easy. So as you can see, our filter over here, it has to be replaced. It says replace cartridge. So pretty much it's at 0%. That's the reason why it comes up. So I'm going to quickly show how to do that, okay. So just open this, that's the lid, right? And then I'm going to disconnect the power source, okay. And then this is the microprocessor which is here. So I'm just going to take that microprocessor out and I'm going to set it aside. And then there is a tool that comes with the new cartridge. So that's the iCook shears that we have. So let me quickly cut this. Out. It comes in a nice simple packaging. All the instructions are right here, and they send this tool, okay. So this tool is what is required to get the pipe out. So I'm going to quickly take this out. Okay, so it is out. Now I'm going to use this tool, okay. So it says simple. The one is large, one is small. So you put the large one in large. You hold it. There are three small dents here. You just keep your fingers there and you press. So that basically unlocks it, and then the pipes will come out easily, okay. Once the pipes are out, that's the retainer cap. You just turn it and the retainer cap comes out. Then you lift the cartridge out. There is a handle here, it says lift. You lift it. Look at that. Whoa, that's gross, right? Okay, if I hadn't had this filter, then pretty much I would have been the filter. You just take it out, and the UV light is right in here, right? So if you are really environmental conscious, then you can just lift this open. You can take the mercury light out, and you can always dispose it according to the standards, right? Then
do you want to keep that on the side just to show how does it look?
Yeah, this is how it looks. Look at that. Okay, now I'm just going to turn this. Okay, so it just locks. Okay, once you press it and then you twist it, what I'm going to do is, see, that's how much the deposit has happened. So I'm just going to quickly wash it, just so that this is like a reservoir, right? So can you believe how much stuff comes from the tap water? It's unbelievable. So I'm going to clean that. Then I'll just take this, okay, put it in, and then there are three slots here, okay. There is one slot here and the two slot here. So that's the second slot, so two slots, not three. You just align it over there, and then you put some pressure, and then it goes in right there, okay. And then you take the retainer, which basically locks this cartridge in there, so that there is no leaks or anything happening. This is a very important part. That's what it doesn't allow the water to come out. Then you take the pipes back. One is big, one is small. You just put it in here and here, and then you press it as much as you can. And if you need some assistance, you can always use this tool, right? You press it, and then you press it as much as you can. Okay, that's it. Then you take the microprocessor, you put it in. There's a slot, this goes here. Then you put this back on. That's it, it's done. So I'm going to plug it back in here, and then you will see that it will recalibrate and it automatically says it's 100%, right? Now when I turn it on, I'll just make sure that there are no leaks, because sometimes if I haven't put these pipes tight, or if I haven't turned the retainer properly all the way to the maximum, then it will leak, right? So I'll just make sure. So as you can see, there is no water coming till now because it is filling it up, because the cartridge is completely dry. The new one is going to fill up, it's going to make it wet, and then pretty soon you'll see that water is coming out, and you can see that it's also leaking. So pretty much that's a good check, right? That means probably I haven't So I'm going to tighten the pipe. See, there you go, it went in. So I didn't use the tool properly, so I'm going to put it back on. Okay, put this back on. And then now put the power back on. There you go. That's because the lid was not closed properly. Now it's good. I'm going to turn it on again. Let's see if it still leaks. There you can see, no leaks. It's good now. And you can see that the water is black, right? Let me quickly grab a glass. So initially, you can see that the water is a little bit black in color. You might not see that. It's a little black in color just because there are carbon particles which have to be flushed out, right? So we ideally say that flush out some water for at least 3 to 5 minutes. It depends. But what I do is I just do it for 2 minutes. Then I take a glass of water and I check. If it's clean, it's clean, right? So I'll just let it go like that. And then we'll see what happens after 5 minutes.